week, the U.S. Supreme Court denied the Biden administration's request to reinstate the SAVE program. The SAVE plan is an income-driven repayment option that would have lowered most student loan borrowers' monthly payments by half, and it provides a shortened time to loan forgiveness. The SAVE plan was supposed to be fully implemented in July. However, 2 lawsuits filed by GOP-led states challenged the Biden administration's legal authority to lower payments and provide forgiveness. The Eighth Circuit Court of Appeals blocked the SAVE plan based on the Republican lawsuits before the SAVE plan could recalculate borrower payments. The Biden administration then requested an emergency request to reinstate the SAVE plan to the Supreme Court, who denied that request and pushed the case back to the appellate court.
Time and again, the Biden administration has tried to lower or eliminate student loan payments for borrowers.
Right.
You get knocked back again and again. At what point do you give up?
We don't. We're fighters. President Biden's a fighter. I'm a fighter. Well, we've provided over $170 billion in debt relief already to 5 million Americans. We have a plan that's going to bring in 30 million. And you're right. The Supreme Court and lower courts also have rejected some of the plans, which we disagree with. But we're going to continue fighting for borrowers. There are millions of Americans right now that need a little bit of support. College debt shouldn't be a life sentence.
So for now, till the lower court issues a final ruling on the fate of the SAVE plan, the 8 million borrowers enrolled in SAVE are in an interest-free forbearance period, which means they don't need to make payments and interest won't accumulate. This forbearance period doesn't count towards forgiveness. Now the question is, what about all the other student loan borrowers not enrolled in the SAVE plan? Their loan payments are still due, and they only have 1 month left until the federal on-ramp period ends. The on-ramp period ends September 30th and won't report borrowers who are late on their payments as delinquent to credit agencies. Now, if you're a borrower and you're struggling to make payments and you want to enroll in an income-driven repayment plan like SAVE, it's a little tricky right now. Servicers are only accepting PDF applications, and some IDR plans, like PAYE or ICR, are only accepted with exceptions. Also, the PDF applications are likely to be delayed, which could put applicants into a processing forbearance for up to 60 days to give servicers time to process the applications. Interest would still accrue during that time, and if the application isn't processed within 60 days, the loans would be moved into an interest-free forbearance, just like current borrowers on SAVE. These forbearance periods will likely last until the Eighth Circuit rules on the Biden administration's appeal to reinstate SAVE, after which cases against SAVE would probably make its way back to the Supreme Court. So until then, borrowers on iIntuition can track their repayment status on our portal and talk to iIntuition repayment specialists with any questions.